Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're diagnosing this 2014 Honda Odyssey. Looks like the check battery sensor light came on. So we're going to go ahead and figure this out. This would work for the 2011 to 2018. So guys, this check battery sensor light came on. It looks like it came on after I installed a new battery. My battery died and I had to go replace it. So what happens when you first install the battery, this light comes on, but all you have to do is let it run for a while, and then most likely this check battery sensor will go ahead and remove itself. If it doesn't remove, then you do need to replace the sensor. So either replace the sensor, or before you replace the sensor, I would check all the fuses. Make sure that all your fuses are not popped. If you check your fuses and nothing's popped, then most likely it's going to be your battery sensor. Now I'll go ahead and show you what the sensor looks like. So once you remove this plastic piece in front of the battery is exposed. You go to your negative, and this is the battery sensor. You can replace this sensor and most likely that light will come off. So first, let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes. See if the light comes off by itself once you replace your battery. If not, check all your fuses in the 3 fuse boxes that we have inside this vehicle. Then after, this fuse goes out. Alright guys, hopefully this video helps.